welcome. Today I'm with REALME GT Neo 2 and we are going to check the highest volume level of this device. So I'm gonna measure sound level with this decibel meter. Right now I'm gonna turn on maximum volume mode, and it means that right now this device will only register the highest volume level than the previous one. I'm gonna put this device under the speaker, and of course it's turned on to the highest volume level. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see, this device reached 113.3 decibels. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.